Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and drivers so the rest works predictably. Check your GPU make and model, then update to the supported NVIDIA driver or ROCm release. This prevents cryptic runtime failures. Once done, install CUDA Toolkit if you need native builds, or prepare Docker with GPU runtime for isolation. Make sure your user has permissions for Docker or that you can use sudo. This reduces friction when you launch containers or services later. You now install Ollama and choose a GPU-enabled model so inference uses the card, not CPU. After installing the CLI, enable GPU in Ollama's config or pass flags when starting the daemon. This tells the runtime to bind to CUDA or ROCm. Pull a model built for GPU or build a container image with cuBLAS and cuDNN present. Otherwise, it will fall back to CPU. Also set CUDA visible devices and any memory cap. You're ready to run inference. Start Ollama with the GPU flag, pick an appropriate batch size, and watch utilization with NVIDIA SMI or ROCm SMI so you see memory and compute in real time. If you hit out of memory, try FP16 or quantized models, reduce batch size, or enlarge workspace. These adjustments trade precision for throughput and stability. If something still breaks, verify driver and toolkit versions match. Inspect kernel logs for device errors, and confirm container runtime can access the GPU devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.